Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn with Olivia.
And I'm Ethan. Today we are doing something special.
Yes, today's episode is called English in the Kitchen, Part 1.
Part 1. Does that mean there will be more?
Exactly. Today we'll start with breakfast. Next time we'll continue with Part 2. Okay, Ethan, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Toast, eggs, sometimes cereal. What about you?
I like fruit and sometimes pancakes. Do you know how to cook pancakes?
Of course. It's easy. You just, put everything in a pan.
That's not how it works. You need flour, milk, eggs, sugar, and you have to mix them.
Sounds complicated. Okay, let's try making scrambled eggs instead.
All right, break 2 eggs into the bowl.
Uh-oh. I think I dropped some eggshells inside.
Ethan, that's not a crunchy breakfast. It's a mistake.
Don't worry. Extra calcium.
Gross. Okay, let's fry it now. Turn on the stove.
Wait. Why is it smoking already?
Because you forgot the oil.
Oh, no. This is turning into a disaster.
Welcome to Kitchen English Disaster Edition. Well, breakfast didn't go exactly as planned.
Yeah, but at least we learned some kitchen English.
And this is just part 1.
That's right. In part 2, we'll try something sweeter. Maybe dessert.
And listen, if you want to see part 2, dessert, make sure to like this video and comment below.
Tell us in the comments if you want more kitchen adventures.
Shadowing practice. Repeat after us.
Crack the eggs.
Turn on the stove.
Don't forget the oil.
Mix the ingredients.
This is a disaster.
Vocabulary list.
1. Breakfast. The first meal of the day.
2. Toast. Bread cooked in heat.
3. Cereal. Grain food usually eaten with milk.
4. Pancakes. Flat cakes made with batter.
5. Scrambled eggs. Eggs cooked while mixing.
6. Stove. Machine for cooking.
7. Ingredients. Items needed to cook.
8. Eggshell. Hard outer part of egg.
9. Fry. Cook in hot oil.
10. Smoke. Visible gas from burning.
Comprehension questions.
What did Ethan drop into the eggs by mistake? Thank you for joining us today. See you in part 2. Bye!